Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Bank of the West, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale your business with Bank of the West, start by understanding your financial needs. Assess your current financial status. Identify the areas of your business that require additional funding. Research the various financial products offered by Bank of the West. Consider options such as business loans, lines of credit, and commercial real estate financing. Schedule a consultation with a Bank of the West representative. Prepare a detailed business plan to present during your consultation. Include information about your business model, target market, and growth projections. Discuss your financial history and credit score during the meeting. Ask about specific requirements for the financial products you're interested in. Inquire about the application process for the selected financial products. Seek guidance on any documentation needed to support your application. Evaluate the terms and conditions of the financing options provided. Compare the costs associated with each financing product. Choose the option that best aligns with your business strategy. Submit your application along with the required documentation. Stay in communication with your Bank of the West representative throughout the process. Prepare to answer any follow-up questions from the bank. Once approved, review the loan agreement carefully before signing. Utilize the funds effectively to support your growth initiatives. Monitor your financial health regularly to ensure sustainable growth. Adjust your strategy as needed based on performance and market conditions. Maintain a good relationship with your Bank of the West representative for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.